Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. A very happy and a beautiful day out there to everybody watching. Today I want to sit down, I want to share 5 products that I tried in 2019 that I'm calling game changers. When I say game changers, it means it changed the way I think and feel about a makeup category or whatever. Anyways, if you are curious as to what changed my mind, go ahead, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. I do hope everybody had a beautiful holiday this past week. And I greatly appreciate everybody taking the time tuning in whenever you are watching this. If you wouldn't mind hitting the thumbs up button, helps me out. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any fun, crazy shenanigans that we have here. Lots of coffee, usually. Every day is coffee. Every day is coffee. But anyways, I want to talk about 5 products that I tried this year. I don't think any of them were new, but they were new to me, and it made me realize a makeup preference is kind of what I mean by game changers. But anyways, so this video isn't crazy super long. Let's talk about 5 products. When I thought about this, the first thing that came to mind was the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronzer. This is I panned this. I bought this year and I panned it. I mean, I liked it that much. This really made me realize that I like the luminous bronzers. There's only one matte bronzer I actually really do still love as much as this, and that is the NARS Sun Diffused. It's been in my favorites. But anyways, typically, I love the luminous bronzers. I recently just tried one from Flower Beauty, and I love that one even more than this one. I know. So I think if you have dry skin and you're struggling trying to find a bronzer, find one that you want to try, maybe that is luminous. I really like this one, and I like the Flower Beauty one. I think those are the only 2 like actual luminous bronzers that I do own. But those are the 2 that I reach for the most. That one, those 2, and then the NARS Sun Diffusing Lights. I don't know. You guys know what I'm talking about. It's an oldie but goodie. And it is a favorite. But those are my 3 favorites. I didn't think I would ever get on board with a luminous bronzer, and I think this is meant for people with dry skin. I love this. Game changer. This product alone sparked my idea for this video. So next I want to talk about is a setting spray. I did try a L'Oreal Dew Mist. I've ran out of it, and I usually save my empties for the end of the year so I can see what all I did actually use up. I will throw a picture up over on the side of it. I really liked it. And what I really realized with that one is I like the dew. Like I have a lot of like hydrating setting sprays that I do like, but the glow it has an oil in it. Currently right now I'm working on the Pixie Glow Mist right here. You do have to shake it. I love this. The L'Oreal also has some kind of, I think it was coconut oil in it. I love it. It's something totally different, but that made me realize this is what I need to be buying. This is what I need to be using. And my MAC Fix Plus it got dusty. I dusted it off because I put it in a Shop My Stash, but it got dusty because I don't want to use it anymore. And same thing with this guy. I haven't touched it since I got the L'Oreal, and I should work through those, but I can't stop using Glow setting spray. 2 that are my favorite are both drugstore, so the L'Oreal and then the Pixie. That is one makeup category that I am very thankful that I did try it this year, because that is where I need to be. That's what I want. Something else that I did try through the summer was the Coats Face Moisture Lightly Tinted Hydrate and Protect Mineral Sunscreen. Mouthful. I did try this because Jen over at Beautiction, she always raves about this as using it as a primer, but also as her sunscreen. And it is a mineral sunscreen, which is really nice because it's not chemicals. And I did a video trying YouTubers' favorites, and this was one that I did add in there, and this changed my life. I love the idea of using a moisturizer or a face, like skincare product that can also double as a primer. This is a beautiful primer, but it also is a sun protectant, and it actually is hydrating. I wear this on its own. I can build it up at the beach. And it does blur my pores a little bit. I love this. This was a game changer. So because I bought this, I've now shifted all of my primer like preferences into something that is an extension of my skincare. So if it's mattifying and just pore blurring, it's not enough anymore. I want something that you're going to benefit me for. So this one, it really did change some makeup preferences, and I think for the better. I really like this one, in case you were curious. This is the sunscreen I use. This is my second tube. Okay, something else I want to talk about is my eyebrows. I was using like the chunkier kind of thick eyebrow pencil, and it wasn't for me. I was never happy. I tried eyebrow powder and pomades, and I just couldn't find my rhythm with any of it. And what was the first one? The ABH Brow Wiz, I think, is what started it. Just a sample size, and I didn't like it, but I like the idea of it. So I kept trying and trying and trying, and I have settled on the CoverGirl Ultrafine Brow Pencil. I have mine in the shade Soft Brown right here. This just, it does everything that I need. It's the perfect color as far as the shade, the tone, the everything. It's creamy, but yet waxy. It has good hold. It lasts all day. But I can also get the tiny hairs that I do like. I can go fuller with my eyebrows with this. I can go less, like more natural with this. And this is my favorite brow pencil. I know we're not talking about favorites, but I think the micro brow pencil this year really brought my eyebrows like to the next level. I think that my eyebrow game like stepped up to be really, really great because of the micro pencil. And I've been using like the sharpening pencils, and those are for my skills and myself, those are just a hot mess. And then the thicker pencils are just the same as the pencil. It wasn't, and these just really changed my eyebrow game, and I forever will love them for that. The last thing I want to talk about is my eyeshadow preference. Can you guess? My name is Kelly, and I am obsessed with all things Lorac. As far as eyeshadows, I haven't gotten in too far into the brand, but I haven't realized that eyeshadows shouldn't be hard to use. And just because you have dry, aging, textured eyelids doesn't mean that you can't use shimmer and you can't feel beautiful and not look like an alligator. Well, I do have quite a few. I keep looking over here, looking at all these other beautiful palettes I do have, and they are my favorites. I have to be careful with them. The Urban Decay, ABH, what else is over there? MAC, Too Faced. I have to be careful with them because the shimmers too far, too fast. Oh, it looks like a hot mess. I have a lot of Lorac shadows. I have last year's holiday palette. I have the Luxe Diamond, which is a favorite. This one is my current favorite right now. It is what I have on my eyes. I've got all of the Pro palettes. I have all of the, well, I have the 5-pan, 4-5 pan. I've got a lot, okay? We've got a lot. We got a lot of Lorac shadows sitting over here. I love these. They blend easy. The pigment is really, really great. You can go light. You can build it up. In the shimmers I used today, I used with a dry brush. Like it's good. It's good. It's not the high shine shimmer that a lot of people really do like, but I found like this year, that's not my thing because on my eyes, it just looks like scales. I don't want scales. I like glitter. And glitter is one thing, and even shimmer shades is one thing. And Lorac does have some of those within their collection, and I can use them, and it's fine. But I'm talking like the satin shimmers that just, if you've got textured eyelids, you know what I'm saying. You go too far and you're like, oh gosh, what do I do? How do I get rid of this? And if you went in with a dry or a wet brush, it's there to stay. So this year I realized that my eyelids are very, very picky when it comes to eyeshadows, and Lorac is one of my favorite go-to formulas for that. I might have one other brand that I could add to that, but I'm going to wait until more is released from the line to see if there's going to be consistency. But if you guessed, it is Tati. Tati Beauty Palette is absolutely another one that I can't go overboard, and it looks beautiful, stunning all the time, every day. different formula than Lorac. They're not the same, but whatever formula she's got going on in her palette is beautiful, and it absolutely does work for textured eyelids. I love it. But anyways, that is it. Those are the 5. I narrowed my list down to 5. You guys, it was really hard, but my videos get to be too chatty anyways, so I wanted to throw out 5 products that I tried this year that really honed in my makeup preferences. Anyways, let me know what you tried this year, what makeup preference that you did change. What did you guys discover about your makeup preferences this year? Let me know down in the comments. Hope everybody had a fun time just kind of sitting down chatting. And if, again, make sure that you smash the like button and that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future fun next year. Anyways, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.